Okay, Google, turn on the fan.
Sure, turning on fan.
Hello everyone, my name is Andres Sosa. I have worked in IoT projects in the last years and I love home automation. And today I want to show you how you can turn any tower fan into a smart fan by just adding a relay module. Then I will show you how you can control this smart fan using your Google Assistant. So, let's go! First, I will show you how to connect the components and place it inside the fan. Then I will show you how to configure the system to be able to control it using your assistant. This is what you will need: a tower fan, ESP relay module, ESP01 Programmer, and cable. Once we have all the components, we can start by opening the fan. First, we'll find an output of 5 volts to power the relay module. Then we will connect the relay output to the button that we use to turn on and off the fan. Before we start, make sure the fan is disconnected from the power outlet. To begin, we open the upper part of the fan. In order to work more comfortably, we are going to disconnect the upper part of the fan. This first board is where the energy of the fan is managed. At the bottom is the AC input. And in the upper left part we can see a connector marked as TX, RX, VDD and ground. Even though every fan model is different, it's likely that you will have a similar connector. Then we add some cables to ground and VDD pins. Here you can test with a voltmeter that this voltage is 5 volts. We will connect these cables to the relay module to the connector marked as 5V and ground. After this, we need to connect the on-off button to the output of the relay. We will use the middle slot and the slot marked as NO or normally open. The button to turn on and off the fan is located in the second board, that is in the upper part of the fan. Here we can see in the middle the on-off label. We have to unmount the board and solder some cables to the button. Once we have added the cables to the on-off button, we can reconnect the upper section of the fan to the first board. After connecting the button with the relay output and the data connector, we are ready to place the components inside the fan. I recommend to use double-sided tape to secure the relay module inside the fan. We can now close the fan completely and then connect it to the power outlet and verify that it's working properly. The next step is to go to your dashboard at Smartnest.cz and create a new device of type fan. Then open the details and copy the device ID. In the video description you will find the code that you will need to use for this project. You will need to change your Wi-Fi network, your Wi-Fi password, your username from Smartnest, your password from Smartnest. In this field you can also use your API key and your device ID that you will paste in the field MQTT client. Once you have provided all these details, you can upload the program to the board. After uploading the program, the device will connect and it will show online in your dashboard. Now you can try to turn on and off the fan. After this, you will need to link your Smartnest account with your Google Home application in the Set up a new device section.
And the result?
Okay, we'll turn on the fan.
Sure, turning on fan.
And that is everything for today's video. Let me know in the comments how it was, if you liked it, and what else would you like to know how to automate in your home. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please press the like button. If you want to receive more tutorials and ideas about home automation, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow us on social media. Happy automation. Bye bye.